Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Indu. I make videos on makeup, skincare, hair care and lifestyle. And for today's video, it is pretty obvious that I'm going to be showing you this look right here, which I'm wearing right now. It is going to be an Ashtami makeup look. I know this year it is going to be a little bit different than any other year, but that does not mean we are not going to be getting ready. And also one thing, I wanted to keep this look very easy and simple to do and actually quick to do. So I have literally done this eye makeup within 10 minutes or even 5 minutes. So if you want to know, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm quickly gonna apply a little bit of sunscreen. For that I'll be using Biotique Bio Aloe Vera sunscreen. It actually gives a little bit of a tacky feel to the skin, which is not uncomfortable, I would say, but for that reason I will skip primer today because it doubles up as a primer too. So that has completely soaked into my skin. It has given like a beautiful sheen on my face, which I'm loving it, by the way. I'm quickly gonna moisturize my lips also, and then we'll move on to the base. So I'm pretty much done with my skin prep, so we're gonna move to the base makeup. And for foundation, today I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I love the finish that this foundation gives to your skin. It's full coverage, yet it does not make your skin look cakey, which is the best thing I would say. And before my foundation completely sets and dries up, I'll quickly apply lipstick as my blush. As usual, I love applying lipsticks as my blush. So for that I'll be using this red lipstick. Be careful when you apply lipstick as your blush. What I'm gonna do is I'll take on the back of my hand, spread it like so, and use my damp beauty sponge, like the what do we call it, like the base part of it, and just take it on my sponge and then apply it on my face. By the way, this lipstick is from Blue Heaven. It's in the shade 01 if you're wondering. I'm gonna remove all the creases under my eyes and set my face. And for setting my face, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. It's in the shade 15 Light. Alright, so I'm gonna bronze up my face, and for that I'll be using Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. It's in the shade Dulce de Leche. For my eyes, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. You can actually use any eyeshadow palette because I'm gonna be using very common colors that most of you must have, I guess. First of all, I'm gonna be using this orange shade from this palette. I'll apply it all over my lid. Also, one thing, what I'm gonna do is I'll flick it outwards to make it like a wing. And I'm gonna use the same shade and apply on my lower lash line. It's gonna be a quick eyeshadow look, so yeah. And also I'm joining this line to the upper to the wing that I created on my upper lid, and I'm just joining it. Okay, so once that is done, I'm gonna take this warm brown shade and just blend the shade. Okay, I think I want a little bit of depth over here, so what I'm gonna do is I'll take this brick red shade and apply it a little bit on that area, and then I'm gonna just blend it out. Alright, so we are pretty much done. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'll take this liquid eyeshadow which I recently got. It's by Swiss Beauty. It's in the shade Rose Gold 05, and I'm actually using it for the first time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna apply it directly on my lids. I'll take it on the back of my hand, like a very tiny bit of it, and dab it with my fingers. I actually don't want it to be very potent, so I just want a little bit of glitter all over my lid. So I'm just gonna press it all over my lid. It looks very pretty. It's really pretty, guys. Now I know what is the hype is all about. So for liner, I'm gonna be using L'Oreal Gel Intensa Gel Liner. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Alright, so I'm back. So I'm quickly gonna highlight my inner corners and also under my eyebrows. But before that, I'll just brush up my eyebrow hairs because that's what I usually do, which takes like 10 seconds for me to do. And for highlighting my face, my inner corners and also under my eyebrows, I'll be using this palette from Nykaa. It's in the shade 24K Glam, and I'll use the golden shade that it has in it. It is like a beautiful champagne kind of a shade. Alright, so we are done with the highlighting. Now we are just left with the lipstick, and for that I'll be using the same red lipstick which I used as my blush. Okay, so I think it's looking like a bit too much for a daytime makeup look, so I'm quickly gonna blot it with a tissue paper. Alright, so I'm done with the makeup. I'm quickly gonna get ready. Okay, no, actually I'm gonna do a transition thing. So alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. Till then, happy Durga Puja and happy Navratri to all you lovely people out there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.